Today, we're diving into the Siemens 4215 Gigaset 2.4 GHz DSS Expandable Cordless phone, a sleek addition to any home or office. Boasting advanced 2.4 GHz digital frequency hopping spread spectrum technology, this phone ensures crystal clear calls without interference. One of its standout features is voice-operated controls, allowing you to manage calls effortlessly. Voice-activated dialing further enhances convenience, while the voice-announced caller ID keeps you informed without lifting a finger. Design-wise, the handset sports a backlit 5-line graphical display, ensuring readability in any lighting condition. It's not just about looks, though. Functionality shines with a built-in digital answering machine that reliably records messages when you're away. The Caller ID call waiting feature stores up to 30 missed calls, ensuring you never miss an important contact. Additionally, the 200 name and number speed dialer simplifies reaching out to frequently contacted individuals. Setup is straightforward with both corded electric power and 2 included AA batteries for portability. The single keypad dialer is intuitive, complementing the overall user-friendly design. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or exploring cordless options, the Siemens 4215 Gigaset impresses with its blend of cutting-edge technology and practical features. In conclusion, this phone caters to those who value seamless communication tools. Its blend of voice-activated features, comprehensive caller ID management, and ergonomic design make it a standout choice in the crowded cordless phone market. If you're seeking reliability and ease of use, the Siemens 4215 Gigaset deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.